Right, we're in Centro and we're on the main drag going towards SM. Basically, the plaza's just there, just over the bridge, and it's about 15-minute walk from the plaza to SM Mall. So you see the lights there, they're turning right, SM Mall's just there. We've come out today. I'm going to get some coconut and just use it as like a snack. So I'm going to get 2 or 3 coconuts. Obviously drink the juice because the juice is really good, but use the coconut as a snack instead of eating all my apples, because it's a cheaper way than keep eating apples. So what it is we've come here because we need a mattress for the cot, because the one we bought before was too big, so we're gonna change it with the one that actually fits. And if we get any visitors, then they can sit on the lie on the little mattress. How much are these? How much are they, Mum? Yeah, well, you ask if I'm here now and it's gonna go up. Basically, you come and you give them the measurements, and then they get the foam, they cut it to size, and then they just make a cover for it to size as well. So you come back later on in the day and it'll all be ready. So that'll fit the cot now. So this is where we come for Matthew's mattress, and it's this is costing 700 pesos. And when you come to these places, they're all interested. How long you been with the foreigner? Are you married? They get all the questions. Where's he from? So these are 4,000. What did you say this was, Mel? Mel, how much? 4,500. So they're cheaper than what you can get in the malls. They're like SM, they've got one there and it's 5,400, I think. Something like that. I think this is one that Mel's getting. Mel, are you getting this one? The cover. Is it that one?
It's color red.
Why don't you get pink?
There's no pink.
Oh, that's pink.
This is different.
Oh, alright. This is what you have to lie on in the Philippines. Even the big beds, it's just foam. You know, in the West we can get all different types of
We've been to SM last day. It's expensive. Like this.
yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, we could do with something like this.
8,000.
Huh?
8,000 SM. Remember?
8,000, not for this size, babe.
No, SM.
Yeah, but not for this size.
Yeah, like that. It's big.
No, it was 5,000.
5,000 is small.
Smaller than this.
Yeah, like that.
So this is 4.5. Are you sure?
Yes.
Ask him again.
We are for
Oh, alright. I stand corrected, as usual. Yeah.
3.8. Small.
Is there any discount for foreigners?
Okay.
How much? 4.2.
You want that?
Yeah, big.
Have you got different color?
Ready para po. You can make it, sir. We're the cover for that, sir.
You can make a different cover.
Like brown.
Yeah, we need something either,
You can choose the color.
well, yeah, brown. It'd be to match the settee. Like a brown colour. We'll see what colours they've got. Yeah, we might get one of these actually, because it's not just a bed, it's a chair. Go on, baby.
Eurotex.
Yeah.
You know
It's a good idea, isn't it, this?
It's a Eurotex.
See what colours they've got, Mal.
Pwede kay Melin. Cover.
Brown. Brown. Take my helmet off, I'm sweating. Yeah.
Somalian one.
Ano naman tayo?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll get one of them.
You want to buy nanaw?
Now,
Huh? No na?
well, they've got to do it. We'll get it and then we'll come back for it. How are we going to get it back? Try. Huh? Ah, well, see negotiation. He said 4.5. We've got it for 4.2. That's really cheap for this size. Pre-deliver?
No.
See what I have to put up with? Yeah, okay. Okay. No. Yes. These are not. These are cute now. What's these for?
Costume for the nutrition month.
For the nutrition month.
They will celebrate
Oh, good nutrition.
last week of July.
So you're getting. Are we getting Kelly this one? How much are they? It's the price there. Look on this one.
320 this one.
Oh, it's not bad.
This one is cheap, ano. So it's probably this one expensive than here.
Has it got a price? Can't see a price.
There's a lot pa there, oh.
They're cute. Can't wait till my daughter's old enough to wear stuff like this.
They will wear this.
Mm. What's she gonna be then? Are you gonna get us something? No?
Vegetable, candy, not fruits.
Vegetable.
Because every student, they, what's it called? Costume, different costume. Like fruits, some of them
Yeah,
fruits,
but somebody,
some of them
somebody,
vegetable.
they'll come here, so somebody's gonna end up with the same
Yeah.
costume, aren't they? Come on, man.
Wait lang.
That's nice as well.
This one, there's no patani.
There's no patani. Oh, you got shoes as well, man. Got shoes as well.
This one is carrots, the orange.
Mm. It's good they got the shoes with them, but that's assuming they've all got the same size feet, isn't it? Because they're all the same size, they look quite big, the shoes.
Yeah, English si Ma'am.
That's what you've got to put up with when you come into these stores as well. You go towards any of the sales assistants and they all start laughing and making jokes, and foreigner and he's American, and you know, gets a bit old after a while. I'm not American, I'm British. There is loads of Americans here. I mean, obviously with the Air Force Base that used to be in Angles, etc.
This is the shop.
They assume you're American.
Popular here in Naga.
It's very popular.
School supplies.
Yeah. It's quite cheap in here though, isn't it? You go to SM, you're frightened to ask a price in SM. I mean, that bed we just looked at, 7,500 in SM, but it's a colour that we'd accept. We didn't get that bed because they said they'll put a cover on it. No problem, we'll cover it, but they want 1,600 pesos to cover it. So I said no. So we're looking for something for our little girl.
We need that.
Right.
Okay.
So we get one of them.
No.
Ate,
Vanilla?
Ayo ate.
Anong kulay?
Pink.
Babae.
babae?
Babae. Girl. Ate ka mo sa kamot yung lalaag.
No, lalaki.
Lalaki.
No, joke
No,
lang.
Kain ate. Ay, doon pala. It's 20 pesos. Sa kamot niya ate.
Sa bitis. Sa kamot pa.
Now, you know I say I've got no patience, and I haven't. But with Mel, I've got patience, because you've got to have patience. Because Mel will pick something up and she'll look at it for about 5 minutes. It seems like a lifetime. And then she'll decide she doesn't want it.
Mana imang kan design ate? Arlang kani, mga arlang kani mana ibang design.
Ayan. Ano, paper yan. Talong pet. Sarang pati sa talong pet.
Do you like this? There's no difference.
Yeah, they're
Design.
lovely, Mel. Yeah. Get 6 packs. What we got here? Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah.
Ate, ano yan?
Ano pa?
Arang kani yun?
Oo.
Oh.
Ini ano niya?
Ayan. Ay, ito.
How much is it?
226.
Sa 26.
So, very cheap.
Can you get that?
What, this? I'll get 2. See what I mean? It's like, just get it, and she'll stand there for ages and just look at it, and then she'll decide she doesn't want it, or she only wants the one. And to me, I see something, I want it, I just get it. Is that impulsive? I guess it is. Yeah, I'm very impulsive. And then I buy something, I'll get it home and think, am I going to use it? Do I really want it? Oh, aren't these cute? Look at those. 229. Mal. See, I told you should put it. I told you should put it back, didn't I? Oh,
What's that? Cute.
put it on her wrist, I think.
It's up to you.
Yeah,
It's
get
your
it.
baby girl, right?
Yeah, get it. I want it. I want it. If I want it, I gotta have it. What about a train set? Would you like a train set, do you think? So what about fresh bottles? Now we started off with a glass bottle, which then got dropped on the floor and broke. And glass bottles here are very expensive.
One na ako.
What's that for?
Milk. Milk.
Oh.
Headband ka mati, mali ka mo?
Headband ito.
May ibang kulay.
Well, I can't wait till she starts to get bigger and the hair grows and stuff. It's going to be brilliant. Really.
Clip.
Sa ano? Diaper? Yung ano? Bird's eye?
Yeah, we might as well get some diapers today as well, aren't we? Because if you have to go in quickly, short notice, you'll need nappies and stuff. We call them nappies in the UK. It's diaper, isn't it? It's what the name you guys use in America. Well, it's nappies in the UK. Oh, look at this. I like that. Can't wait, guys. Can't wait. It's going to be brilliant. What about changing mat, Mel?
This na.
Changing mat. It is a changing mat, isn't it? Yeah. Because you've lost the other one, haven't you? Yeah. She keeps putting Matthew on the settee and getting talcum powder all over the settee, don't you, baby?
Pwede mailing ate.
Why is she opening the bag, babe?
I want to see.
See what?
That size.
What is it? What is it?
Nappy.
Huh?
Ah, that's right.
Why are you getting that kind of nappy?
Mind you.
Ah, careful, don't say that word. That's outrageous talk.
We don't need this na.
Oh, no, just get the throwaway nappies.
Responsible.
It's okay while she's a baby and it's the different colour, I guess. I mean, can you manage with that when she's just a baby?
Ito na lang. Do you want to buy that pa? No need na.
What?
We have a we have a mattress, right?
No, we have a mattress, we don't need more. Can't waste money, babe. It's in short supply. Just wait till she starts to get bigger. She's going to be beautiful. She's always going to be dressed lovely. Huh?
You can get na lang the
Right, we've just been for the coconut, haven't we, babe? So, we're just getting 3 big coconuts. 14 pesos a kilo, and then 3 big coconuts have come to 65 pesos. I mean, that's brilliant. Now, do you see what I mean? As a snack, open a coconut, put it in the fridge for a few days, keep snacking on it, and it's really good for you. So that's it, guys. I'm sure you're pleased because this is probably going to be a long video and boring to most of the guys out there. So it's over to you, Mal.
Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye.
Yes. Till the next video, guys. See you soon.
You can show this is the second floor for the meat. No?
You want to show the guys? Well, we've just said goodbye. So you want to see? I can edit. Mel wants to show you the meat. So this is on the second floor, the People's Market. So let's just have a look. Now it's, what time is it, Mel? I'm asking her what time it is now. I've just bought a new watch and I keep forgetting I've got it on my wrist. Right, so
That part is a dried fish over there. Dried fish, your favorite, right?
my favorite dry fish. So if you come here early doors in the morning, all these stalls are full of meat and fish.
On the other side, fish.
Yeah, but as you can see, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's pretty late, so most of the stalls have emptied. Now I'd love to say if you come in here you will get some bargains, but you won't. It's still, the meat is still quite expensive, but you can get your chickens and sometimes duck I've seen hanging up, but it's mostly pork, as you can imagine, baboy, which you can't eat, guys. You've got to keep away from the pork. Now I take you over to see the dried fish, but it makes me want to throw up. Seriously,
7 months.
physically makes me want to be sick, so I'm going to pass on that one, guys. So that's it, definitely it. Till the next video, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping